Okay, so we're talking about the present perfect, and in the last section we were saying how we made the present perfect and when we might use it. So let's go through how we're going to make the present perfect. How do we do that? So I want to say between say 5 years ago and today I did something. How would I say that? The present perfect. Yes, Cantor. That's right, so we use have, yeah. So maybe need subject like I have. I have. What do we need next? I have what? We're talking about eating, I don't know, maybe gone. Well, maybe I just gave it the answer there. Going to Hawaii. So I want to know between 5 years ago and today, did you go to Hawaii? Between 5 years ago and today. I have... That's right. Gone, yes. I have gone. I accidentally gave you the answer there. There's one other way we could say it, maybe more common in British English, like my English. Maybe in US English, I think in this situation gone is more common, but in British English, maybe it's... what is gone? What is gone? Is it... that's right, yeah, it's the past participle, yes, it's the past participle. So gone is a past participle. Maybe a different past participle that also says we have gone to a place. KG, yes. Been, yes, a past participle of be been. I have gone to Hawaii. Just about fit that on there, yeah. So that's have. Use have plus the past participle. So you've got to remember your past participles, yeah? Don't forget your past participles. They're going to be very useful in this situation. When you're talking about experiences, yeah, maybe in the last section, in the warm-up, we were talking about experiences. It's very useful for saying what experiences you've had, yes? So I have been or have gone to Hawaii. Like I said, British English, maybe been is more common. US English, I think gone is more common. In British English, gone, maybe you've just gone one way. And been is more common when you've been there until you've come back. You've gone there and you've come back. I have been to Hawaii. But yet we make the present perfect by using have and the past participle. How about now, so this is like a statement. We want a question. How do we make a question? Yep, so we're starting with have, okay. Yes. Anna, what were you saying? Have, yeah, and then the subjects. Have you? Yep, gone or been. You can add ever as well, like in your whole life. You could use ever. But yeah, here, it'd be gone or been to Hawaii. Have you gone or have you been to Hawaii? It's your whole life. Like I said, you could have ever. Have you ever? That's a very useful way of asking, like in someone's whole life. Have you ever been to Hawaii? That's in your whole life. So yeah, from when you were born until now. That's right, yeah. Since when you were born. Okay, how about negative? Now, negative. Maybe at the beginning we said I have gone to Hawaii. Maybe you haven't. So Yeah, no, I've never been, yes. I have never been, or I've never gone to Hawaii. No, you can't say I have ever been. That could be very confusing for an English speaker listening to that. They're going to think you're saying never, which is the opposite of what you mean. Maybe we never say in a statement, I have ever been to Hawaii. We use ever in the question, but we don't use it in statements. You need to be careful with that. If you say, I have ever been to Hawaii, I think most English speakers listening to that will think maybe you said never. So it'll be the opposite. Okay. And so what kind of situations can we use this? Yep, that's right, experiences, places you've been to, any other situations, more kind of business situations maybe? Maybe if you're looking for a job or something, maybe people would want to know what kind of experiences you've had. Yep, Kento. That's right, job interview, yes. Great, job interview situation. That's what we're going to practice today. Maybe most of you, you're only junior high school, so you don't have part-time jobs yet, but maybe sometime in the future you will have jobs, yes, maybe part-time jobs from high school or full-time jobs, and you will have job interviews. But maybe you've had interviews for schools, yes, maybe for your high school. Maybe with the entrance test, yeah, you've had maybe some kind of interview with the entrance test. Yeah, maybe just some schools, that's right. Maybe only some schools have that. Okay, but so job interviews. So today, at the end of this lesson, we're going to be able to ask each other questions in a job interview. Maybe experiences are important in job interviews. Finding out what candidates' experiences are. Candidates, do you know who knows what candidate means? KGS. Yeah, so that's the people, yeah, who are taking the interview. They are the candidates. How about the person asking the questions? What are they called? Yep, the interviewer, yes. So interviewer, and you can say the person receiving the questions, interviewee. Also have like employer, employee. The person who's doing something and the person who's receiving is usually something E in English. So employer, employee, employer is like your boss, employee is the person who works for the boss. Interviewer asks the questions, interviewee answers the questions. And yeah, so those people, the interviewees, they are candidates for a job, and you choose one. Job. Okay, and one more thing I want to do, I want to check, so maybe if we have like what? Let's create some space on the board. Hold on. Wipe the board. And we're going to, so if I say what, how about maybe first, if I want to shorten it down, I have, how can we shorten that down? Shorter version, yeah, I've, yes, I've, can I hear you all say I've, Kento? I've, very good, Skagey, I've, and what have, how about what have, how can we make that shorter? That's right, what of, what of. Okay, now it's time to move on to the next parts, and we are going to watch a video of some people taking a job interview. So I want you to listen for any examples of the present perfect that you hear. So I want you to listen and write down any examples of the present perfect that you hear. And maybe, if you're very quick, you can maybe write some examples of the past simple that you hear too. Okay, so we're going to watch some job interviews on a video Okay.